Now, one of the problems about putting a target line on your chart is you get fixated by it. And you get really excited when you get a point above the target. Yay, we've made the target. And you get really disappointed and just really sad when the points drop below the target. If we look at the example on this slide here, the top chart shows 4 points going up, with the last 2 exceeding the target. Okay? And then this is a point where we often get really quite excited. And the narrative might say there's been consistent improvement for 4 months. It's actually only 3 because you've got to start with a base point. But anyway, it looks like it's going up. However, if we take more data and we plot it as a control chart, which is the lower example, we can see that all the data are between the control lines. There's no point outside the red lines, the control lines, so there's no strong signal for a special cause. This process is only exhibiting common cause variation. And that means with a target line in the middle, sometimes we meet it and sometimes we don't. It is just luck. That system noise means that sometimes we're above target and sometimes we're below it. And we shouldn't get excited and we shouldn't get depressed, depending on whether we meet the target or not. We have to understand the variation first before we can then look at the targets, the assurance part.